okay? It's giving natural hair, okay? This literally looks like my hair. Yeah, it's giving. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna show you how to get these super chunky twists. They look so super natural, but we did go ahead and add hair. I'm gonna show you how I did it from start to finish. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, here's the hair that we are working with. So I'm going to start to section my hair, and I'm actually going to put my hair in just 4 sections because I want to do, again, bigger, chunkier, fluffier twists. And I feel like putting my hair into larger sections will help me remember that I'm trying to do larger parts, if that makes any sense. I will be using my handy dandy 3-way mirror in order to see in the back of my head. That is a question I get all the time. How do you part the back of your head? I use a 3-way mirror. I got mine from Amazon. I'll link it for you in the description box. Okay, so we got our quadrants.
I like to be educated.
Alright y'all, so now that we have our quadrants, I'm going to go in and make smaller sections, and these are going to be the sections that my twists are in. Let's go ahead and do our first section, and I'm going to try to, again, part the entire section out first so that I can then just start twisting.
Stand up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way?
I'm going to go ahead and grab our hair and a chair, and I'll be right back. Now, y'all already know what hair I'm using in order to achieve this style. I will be using the handy dandy outre expression twisted up springy afro twist. This is in the color 1B and in the length 16 inches. I'll link the exact hair for you so there is no confusion. 1 full pack, and this is 2/3. Other products that I'm going to be using: Shine and Jam for my roots, edge control for the roots as well, and then the Mayel twisting souffle for the moisture, even though my hair is already moisturized. So this is 1 strand of hair. I did not split anything. Just gonna go ahead and fluff out those ends, little smoothing of the roots, adding product to the hair, or the hair. This is my hair. And let's go ahead and twist, baby, twist. Hopefully this hair is long enough. Go down a couple times. Did about 5 passes of that braid. I'm gonna split my natural hair in 2, and I'm going to begin twisting.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
This is the twist. This twist does not look springy at all. It's okay, we're gonna do it again.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my
Uh-oh. Please hold. I'll be back. this quadrant here, and this is what it's looking like. Honestly, it's giving natural hair, okay? It's not even giving spring twists, it's giving these are twists that you're about to do right before twist out. Like, it's giving very natural. I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and part out this second quadrant. All right, y'all, we're back. We have all of our parts done. Just have this one last twist. Now we start twisting, and I still have to do this whole side, but it is going to be much easier to do now that all of the parts are done. It took forever, but I did it. Yeah, I'm not doing anything else to my hair but tying it up tonight, and I'll talk to y'all.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my